Benson's microwave wings. This is Benson's recipe for microwave wings. Dash of pepper, blast of curry, mixing them slow, whoa, not gonna hurry. What do you?
And that's what we got here. Putting out some wings. In the bowl. Perfect. And a dash of pepper. Perfect. Couldn't find curry, but curry is spicy, so we got paprika. Got a blast of it, so we gotta put a lot in here. 1 second. Just get the lid off. There we go. Perfect. Now it's time to mix it slow. Now it's time to mix it slow. Now, there was no more things in the video. There are no more instructions in the video. Just have to put it in the microwave for exactly 90 seconds, which I could not play because my tablet was about to die. So, I'm going to set it to cook time 90, and yes, I'll clean this microwave up when we're done. Just go wash my hands real quick. Paper towel. There you go. Clean. Now, done mixing. Just gotta wait for it to get done. Let's go ahead and clean up since we're done with all the spices. Grant, could you screw this on for me, please? Thank you. Sir. This is my cousin assistant, Grant. And so we're gonna put the pepper back in here. And I get the paprika. Put that right there. And of course the spice tray. And this goes up here. Now that's all we're done with. Got 30 seconds left. Well, that's doing it. Just that way. The wing box. And if you're wondering, these are wings from Logan's Roadhouse of barbecue wings. So got 12 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly 90 seconds. All right. Now let's go get a plate while those things are cooling down. Okay, so we gotta do this nice and slow. And just remove the lid. There you have it, folks, some microwave wings. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Well, there you have it. Ball of the fruit.